Holy shitballs, this is so not a freaking scam, and I'm so freaking happy that I realized that this was not a scam, that I really looked into it, because I saw thousands and thousands of people on TikTok doing affiliate marketing and digital marketing, but it was my mindset. I was just so scared to say yes, but then I found someone who is doing this. Listen, I just made $6,300 in the last 48 hours. I started with the legacy program back in December, knowing absolutely nothing. So if you don't follow me, my name is Allison Reynolds, and I'm a special needs mom that was literally living paycheck to paycheck, and I just needed to find something. But I was so scared to make the change. But I did. I said yes. I was so scared. I didn't even have a following over here. I wasn't even on TikTok. But what I did was I learned, because when you start with the legacy program, it is a class that teaches you step by step. It is a program that gets connected with you with 6 and 7 figure earners with live training every single day. You are never left alone. Guys, I want to scream, and I don't even care if you're annoyed with me, because who the hell makes $6,300 in 48 hours? And I didn't reach out to anybody. I didn't call anybody. It's an email funnel that's already done for you. So it's a 2-hour day because it's an automated system. The technology, the website was already done. Everything was done. All I had to do was plug and play. That's it. So if I can do this, if you're watching it, you can do it. You learn the skills. I had no idea what I was doing. I just learned the skills. I listened to our mentor. She leaves us messages every day on what to say. And guess what? I'm just following step-by-step directions. So, listen, I'm a real person. Just message me. Put your email in to my funnel, and we're going to start talking. Because if I can win, you know what that means? You can win also. And I want you to freaking win. It is the best feeling. I cannot wait to help you. So put yes in the comments, and I will help you.